It is incredibly frustrating when your engine starts bucking or surging out of nowhere, or even worse, it dies while you are driving only to restart perfectly a second later like nothing ever happened. This intermittent behavior is the hallmark of diagnostic trouble, code P0349, which signals a problem with the camshaft position sensor, a circuit in bank 2. This is an electrical fault, meaning the powertrain control module is losing the timing signal from the camshaft that it needs to synchronize the fuel injectors and manage the ignition timing. Since bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1, you know exactly which side to focus your attention on. Usually, this is caused by a wiring issue rather than the sensor itself failing completely. Start by inspecting the sensor connector for what we call green crusties, which is that green corrosion that builds up and kills electrical signals. You can use some electrical contact cleaner and a small plastic brush to get those terminals looking like new again. When you put it back together, a little bit of dielectric silicone compound helps keep moisture out for good. You need to determine if your vehicle uses a 3-wire Hall effect sensor or a 2-wire magnetic pickup style, as the testing procedure is different for each. For a 3-wire sensor, you are looking for a steady 5-volt power supply and a solid ground. For a 2-wire sensor, you will actually set your digital multimeter to alternating current voltage and look for about 0.5 volts while cranking the engine. If the wiring is perfect but the code persists, check the tone ring on the camshaft for any broken teeth or debris that might be interrupting the magnetic field. Sometimes a failing crankshaft sensor can even mimic these symptoms, so keep an eye out for related codes like P0340. Taking the time to do a thorough visual inspection of the harness for any spots where it might have rubbed through against the engine block will often save you from buying parts you do not actually need.